All right, welcome in. Look, I'm excited about this. We found something that is truly next level in regards to digital, okay? Physical silver and gold. You already know we have some of the best physical platforms to get physical gold and silver delivered to your home, but we also have found the best digital platform to leverage. So, look, we're going to go over a lot of information on how you can get paid, okay, in silver and gold, and how you can earn significant yield on these assets with this platform, Kinesis. So look, make sure you guys like this out, share this out. I'm going to go over a lot of information and value on the Kinesis network. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is check out is their main website. Okay. Kinesis network main website. And on the main website, you're going to be able to see um, the different products that they have. So they obviously have gold and silver. They also have a cryptocurrency trading platform. So you can actually build and manage your gold and silver on this platform digitally and your crypto portfolio. They have a mobile app. They have a great cash back in gold program. Okay. So when you actually swipe their Visa or MasterCard, you're going to get cash back, but you're going to get it in silver and gold. Okay, that's huge. I'm familiar with cashback rewards programs. Usually it's in cash. Now you can actually get cash back in assets, real money, physical silver and gold. So that's exciting. We're going to talk about that with Kinesis as well. Obviously, they have Kinesis Gold, which KAU is back 1-to-1. Okay, so one KAU digital asset is equal to 1 gram of gold, and then they have the Kinesis Silver, which is KAG, and that one digital asset is 1 ounce of silver, equal to 1 ounce Troy silver. Okay, and then of course they have the Kinesis Velocity token, which is their own token where you can earn monthly yield. Okay, so obviously this is a great way on the digital side internationally to be able to take advantage and leverage physical silver and gold. I'm going to go over in detail a lot about the reward program. Okay, a lot of people watching this video because they want to know how to get paid in gold and silver. So we're going to talk about how to earn from holding gold and silver, how you're going to earn from spending gold and silver and trading, how you're going to earn gold and silver from referring people to the Kinesis ecosystem and platform, how you're going to earn from minting, okay, gold and silver onto the platform, and holding these digital assets on their platform as well. So a lot of ways where you're going to be able to earn yield, okay, earn yield on the transaction fees from others that you bring into the Kinesis ecosystem. So Kinesis is giving back over half of all transaction fees to the users every single month. So this is why you kind of want to take advantage now, take action now, create your account, do the KYC, acquire some gold, hold some assets, make some trades, share your link out with other people, because as they utilize this platform, utilize the card, get percentage back in gold and silver, you're going to benefit from all those transaction fees that happen within the Kinesis ecosystem. Okay. So they also, obviously, that referral program in the Metals cards. We're going to go into more about Kinesis in regards to the forking of the Stellar blockchain. So they are a fork of the Stellar blockchain, which, if you guys should know, Stellar is huge. Okay. Stellar is massively undervalued, phenomenal blockchain, phenomenal utility, phenomenal value. So I was excited when I realized that they were actually a fork of the Stellar blockchain. And I'll put some information onto why they forked from the Stellar blockchain as well. But we're going to go into Kinesis. We're going to go into who is strategically partnered with them, who's backing them, the audits, the storage of the actual physical silver and gold. Because make no mistake, we're dealing with audited physical silver and gold, and anything you purchase is literally allocated to you as the owner on the blockchain. Okay, on the blockchain, right? So that's always very exciting because we're forward thinking, and what Kinesis is doing on the blockchain with gold and silver, physically, and backed by the physical asset is huge. So we're going to go over obviously some of the trust and security, a lot of audits and different things, and look at what Kinesis has to offer. But there's a lot of value here on the digital side for you to be able to just share this with other people. And as they utilize the platform, you're getting paid in silver and gold. Okay. So protect your spending and savings with precious metals. So spend gold and silver. Use gold and silver as money anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Okay. So anywhere MasterCard is accepted, you can actually spend your gold and silver in your account if you need to. And so I like to look at that as like your emergency fund, right? Your emergency savings, right? If you're saving your money and you have it in gold and silver on a card, if you need to, right? That's the last card you'll use because obviously you don't want to use your assets. But I can't tell you how many times gold and silver has saved me and countless others and millionaires that I know from when they fell in hard times. And the only way that they got through those hard times was because they had a nice savings and nest egg of silver and gold. Okay. So when you actually can have a built up portfolio of allocated silver and gold tied to you on the blockchain that you can spend at any time with a MasterCard, that's a good thing. Okay. That's a good thing, especially in times of need, okay, an emergency. So they have a great back office where you can able to manage your earned savings, your assets and precious metals. And then they have great storage and facilities. So your gold and silver are safely stored in their world-class vaults. Okay. This is audited. It's on the blockchain. The metal is there and it's tied to you on the blockchain. Okay. But this is the premier digital platform. Okay. If you want physical silver and gold, you already know we have the best places to get physical silver and gold inside of M.I.M.S U. So what we're going to do here is let's watch this short video here on making your money work for you on their platform.
Your wealth by spending Protect your wealth by spending physical gold, not paper money that grows weaker by the second, on a card that earns you gold every time you spend. Kinesis not only protects your wealth from inflation, but grows your investment month to month. When you purchase the gold and silver stored in our vaults, we create a digital record of your physical holdings. This way, the Kinesis Money platform lets you easily manage your gold and silver anywhere in the world, and even spend your metals instantly with the Kinesis card, all the while earning a passive yield. Anytime Kinesis gold or silver is bought, traded, or spent with Kinesis anywhere in the world by anyone, a percentage is paid into your account each month. Preserve and build your wealth with Kinesis Money. Kinesis, the future of money.
So this is a great platform for leverage. Okay. Like the world is changing, the dollar is losing value. People are going to need to use real money. Okay. This is moving, this is on the blockchain. So we're talking about using real money and moving it digitally and paying for products, goods, and services. And when you bring people to Kinesis, because I believe that the masses will be coming to Kinesis as the digital blockchain solution, okay, for their gold and silver holdings and the ability to transact and everything else. You want to be the person that share this with them. When they create an account and they do anything on the platform, you'll benefit from the fees. So this company is, solid. Okay. Trustpilot, 4 stars, over 489 reviews. This everything they do is legit. Okay. So there's a KYC process. Do simple KYC, to get started on their platform. Digital currencies. This is fully backed by physical silver and gold, folks. Fully backed, audited. Like I mentioned before, the KAU is equal to 1 gram of physical gold. So each KAU coin, digital asset you have, it's literally 1 gram of gold. And it's audited and it's in the vault. And each asset will be tied to you on the blockchain. And you will have the ability to earn from holding that asset and to earn from sharing and using the card and everything else. Kinesis KAG, right? So each KAG digital asset is equal to 1 ounce of troy ounce silver. Okay, so right now you guys are finding out about this at a great time because the MasterCard isn't out yet. You can get it actually in pre-register today. Okay, so obviously there are benefits to pre-registering, but you will make 2% cash back in gold. Okay, 2% cash back in gold on purchases with precious metals and earn up to $480 per year. Okay, so there's a great benefit, obviously, to having that card as a backup. I'm not an advocate of spending silver and gold, but there are times where you might need to do that. You need to give yourself options. So I'm big on options. Okay. There's like so many ways that you can earn yield with Kinesis. Okay. There's about 6, 7 different ways. We're going to go over them, but earning yield just from using your account. So we got holders. Okay. So hold and earn. Earn a passive yield on every single gram of gold and silver held in Kinesis. So that's a beautiful thing when you can just have gold and silver sitting with Kinesis and you're earning a yield for that. You also have velocity, so spend and earn. Earn gold and silver every single time you spend or trade precious metals. Okay, so I love the idea of getting gold and silver when I spend and trade precious metals. They also have the referral program. A lot of you guys are going to get excited about this because they also have it to where you can actually, for sharing this, you can actually earn a half an ounce of silver. You would receive a half an ounce, and your and the referee, they split an ounce together. So half an ounce for you, half an ounce for the person you shared it with. So refer and earn. Invite friends and family to Kinesis and receive a share of all their transaction fees. So not only can you receive a half ounce of silver for sharing this with other people, okay, but you will also earn on all their transaction fees for life in the Kinesis ecosystem. They also have this something called mint. Okay. So you can actually mint gold and silver on their platform, bring it to the platform. It will be allocated to you, on the blockchain and everything, but you'll earn for minting as well. So you'll receive lifelong yield. Okay. Lifelong yield for bringing new gold and silver into the Kinesis ecosystem. And then they have own and earn, which you can receive a proportional 20% share of all fees in the Kinesis global ecosystem, the global Kinesis ecosystem. So benefiting from the whole ecosystem and earning a portion of that share, and that's paid in gold and silver, that's huge as well. So they've been mentioned in the Independent, Forbes, Reuters, CNN Business, like Cointelegraph. Like this is a major company. Like this is a big deal, right? On the digital side. Um, so your gold and silver is safe with them. All your bullion is securely stored and audited and insured vaulting facilities, okay, in your name at all times. That's key. We want to make sure that since we're not taking physical possession of the asset, which I always recommend, we say if you don't hold it, you don't own it, right? But we love to have diversification in our assets, okay, and how we store them and how we're able to use them. So this is the premier digital solution, okay? So send money globally in seconds. So save time and money on international transfers with instant settlement and a low flat fee every time. So when we talk about sending money across the globe, real money, okay, doing that with Kinesis on their blockchain is huge. So build and protect your wealth, manage your gold and silver and digital asset portfolio from one simple dashboard. Buy precious metals, okay, 24/7 with industry leading pricing, okay. Gold and silver at your tips. Track your spending and investments, okay, and instantly buy precious metals at the lowest price from bullion vaults across the globe. And of course, we talked about the metals back program. So earn gold on your everyday purchases. So everyday purchases you're spending right now, but you're not earning gold for that. This is next level. I mean, if I'm going to earn something, I would love to earn gold for spending. So get up to 10% metal back in physical gold on your everyday purchases at 6,000 plus leading retailers worldwide. So obviously, this is the major retailers, the Walmarts and whatever have you, and we'll go over that as well. But that's a beautiful option, a beautiful thing to have in your wallet that can give you that benefit. So getting started couldn't be easier, right? You will get the referral link, which is in the description of this video, or if somebody shared this video with you, then you will want to get their referral link. Okay, you're going to create an account. You will deposit funds. I use cryptocurrency. You can actually deposit cryptocurrency onto the platform, and then convert that to the gold and silver. You can use your debit card if you want, and you can also do a wire. Okay, gold and silver through a simple widget with a couple of clips. So obviously you can buy through them as well. So here's some quick FAQs, and we're going to go into some of the details that I mentioned about how to earn yield and some of the value of what's backing Kinesis, and how they and how they work. So, how do I know my gold and silver are in Kinesis vaults? This is one of the frequently asked questions. All gold and silver stored in the Kinesis extensive global vaulting network is independently audited twice a year by Inspectorate, a Bureau Veritas company, and a leading global physical commodity audit and inspection specialist. All Kinesis audits are publicly available on our website. So if we want to see the public audit, we're able to see that. Okay. Somebody says, next question is, why should I trust Kinesis? Kinesis is a strategic partner of the Allocated Bullion Exchange. Now, Allocated Bullion Exchange is huge. Most people have never heard of them. I'm going to create a link in the description of this video to the Allocated Bullion Exchange so you can learn more about them. But this is ironclad. Like, this is a solid strategic partnership for Kinesis, which is ABX, which is a leading institutional exchange, okay, with over 10 years of experience trading fully allocated precious metals globally. Allocated, it's there, okay? It's there. ABX is a public company with an outstanding reputation in the precious metal space. As we've been looking after precious metals globally for over a decade, we understand all the steps necessary to provide our users with the assurance they need. All precious metals within the Kinesis system are fully reserved one-to-one, fully audited, fully redeemable, and securely held within the insured vaults of Kinesis strategic partner Allocated Bullion Exchange. Okay, so for a full explanation of security and transparency of Kinesis Gold and Silver Holdings, see our trust and security page, which I'll go over that at the end. It's a little detailed. Some people got the gist. Some people might want more of that detail, so I'll go over that as well. How is free storage possible? So Kinesis users pay no storage fees on the gold and silver secured stored with Kinesis. Okay, we are able to offer Kinesis users chargeless storage on their precious metal holdings by using the world-class vaulting network of our strategic partner ABX. Additionally, a share of Kinesis global transaction fee revenue is allocated to covering vaulting costs. Okay, so is it complicated to buy silver and gold? At Kinesis, we made purchase silver and gold very straightforward. Simply go to your main dashboard of your Kinesis account and enter the amount of gold or silver you would like to buy in the buy widget. Purchase the precious metals in seconds at the market price. And the last FAQ they have here is, how do I know I'm getting a good price for gold and silver? Thanks to our extensive network of vaults across the world, Kinesis can select the best prices from major trading hubs across the world, offering our users some of the most competitive prices for physical gold and silver on a global scale. So sound money for a sound future. Investment in physical silver and gold bullion, trade crypto and real world assets. Okay, so they have a trading platform as well in that dashboard where you're able to trade the major cryptocurrencies, trade, gold and silver, real world assets. So that's huge. If you're a trader and you want to learn how to trade, or you want to trade assets, you trade on this platform, you're getting, you and who you share this with, when they trade, you're getting a percentage of those fees, and you're getting it in silver and gold. Okay, so that's huge. It's not leverage trading, it's spot trading, but your whole community, your ecosystem you share this with, the fees come back to you in gold. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to kind of share you a couple of articles just to kind of go over the Kinesis blockchain forking from Stellar, which I'll put a link to that in the description of the video. And then I'm going to go over ABX a little bit to substantiate the security and value in that strategic partnership. I'll put a link to that article in the description. And then we'll kind of go into the yield, okay, how we're earning gold and silver from sharing, from holding, and trading, and transaction fees, and everything else. All right, so linked in the description of this video, here's a link to this article for those who might wonder why they forked from the Stellar blockchain. I'll put a link in the description of this video, but it talks about the speed of the Stellar network. It talks about the Stellar consensus model versus the mining model. It talks about Stellar fee accumulation model. and then they go into why fork the network. Okay, so that information is there for those who kind of want to understand why they fork from the Kinesis from the Stellar blockchain. All right. And for those who want to know a little more about why ABX, the allocated bullion exchange, more about them, their value, their track record, their history, you'll find that in the link in the description of this video as well. So the keystones of ABX, they're global, they're dealing with allocated metal. It's there, eliminating the third party counter risk by having and holding the actual physical asset. It's secure. So ABX storage solution is offered through partnerships with the largest secure logistic providers in the world: Malka, Amit, Loomis International, and Armaguard. Industry specialists, Inspectorate, and BDO provide inspections and audit services on all bullion stored in the ABX Vault network. Okay. So once again, your assets are audited. You're dealing with the big boys here. Okay. When you're dealing with this company. So obviously ABX, being very efficient, very liquid, very accessible. So if you want to get more information on ABX, how your assets are stored in this company, I'll put a link to this article as well for your own research purposes. All right. So now on to the good stuff, the exciting part. One of the major benefits of using Kinesis. Okay. And that's because of the type of yield and cash back, rewards back in silver and gold for sharing and other things. So here's how we earn rewards from sharing, Kinesis. Okay. They're giving back over half of the fees to us. Okay. The people that are in the ecosystem. So it says we give back a 57.5% share on all Kinesis transaction fees to our users every single month, with all 6 yields paid in silver and gold. Okay. So this is a massive ecosystem, and you're going to share this with people, and the company is literally letting you benefit from the transaction fees, over half, and that's paid to you in silver and gold. Okay. So the only yield of its kind. Okay, a historic yield. It's simple. We give back our transaction fee revenue each month. Okay, you share in their growth. More transaction volume in the ecosystem, the more we pay out as yield. Okay, and it's paid in silver and gold. All right. I love additional streams of income, and if I can create additional stream of income that's helping people get real money and leverage systems like this, and I get paid in real money every time they transact in this ecosystem and I get a portion of those fees, that makes sense. I just want to be the person to share with everybody, right? As you said too. So you receive your yields in gold and silver at the end of every month. So these are the ways that we earn yield with this platform. They got the holders yield. Earn a monthly yield on gold and silver that you hold with us. Okay. Velocity yield. Earn when you spend or trade silver or gold on the Kinesis platform. Remember, I talked about the trading platform. Referrers yield. Okay. Invite friends and family and earn a fee of a share of the transaction fees from the people that you share this with, which also they have. We talked about that getting a half ounce of silver for sharing this with people as well. I'll go over into that more. They have the partners yield. You can actually earn a higher percentage on your network's transaction fees by becoming a partner. So if you are a networker, an influencer, somebody who has a network, or you really want to share this platform, you want to definitely be a partner, because you're getting a significant greater portion on the transaction fees in the ecosystem, and that's paid to you in silver and gold. Then they have mentors yield as well. So mint entirely new silver and gold to earn a lifelong yield. Okay. So this is, holding assets and getting paid for holding those assets in silver and gold. And then the KVT yield, proportional 20% share on the Kinesis fees and distributed in the KTV vault. So you'll be able to track your earnings. They have a great back office, real simple, straightforward. You'll be able to track everything in that back office. And then, of course, once again, another way that you earn is by earning gold on your purchases with that MasterCard. So get up to 10% metal back and physical gold on your everyday purchases. Okay, over 6,000 retailers and more. And so what I want to do now is I'm actually going to go over a couple of these programs. Okay. I'm actually going to have more videos going over each yield program because there's that much value there. I don't want this video to be too long, but of course, I'm going to have a link in the description of the video as well for you guys to be able to look over each of the ways that you can earn from sharing Kinesis as well. So let's look at some of the ways that we're earning. Okay. And we'll probably start with the referrers yield because a lot of people are like, okay, I want to share this platform with people and I want to be able to get silver and gold for sharing this with them. And I also want to benefit from any transaction fees that they might do. And that is also from the ecosystem. All right. So this Kinesis referral and earning yield ecosystem is actually very valuable, very detailed. There's a lot to really go over in each yield platform. Okay. So we're going to go over how you can earn from sharing. And then I'm going to have subsequent videos that go over each yield opportunity with some videos and some more details to really help people grasp the magnitude of just how big this ecosystem is and how to take advantage. So one of the the first benefits that popped out to me about Kinesis was the ability to share this platform and earn silver. Okay. So share 1 ounce of silver with every friend you refer. Okay. So you refer this with somebody, you and that person will share 1 ounce. You will get a half an ounce in your account in digital gold and silver, and that person that you shared it with will get a half ounce in physical silver gold in physical silver gold in their account. So earn half of an ounce of silver for every friend you invite to Kinesis, and earn, and even better, your friend gets a half an ounce too. Okay, so you can obviously earn rewards, and we're in that breakdown earning rewards, but earn silver rewards. The more friends you invite, the more silver you earn. Invite your friends, refer your friends and family with your unique referral link from the Kinesis account. You share 1 ounce silver. You both get a half ounce of silver as soon as your referral meets the reward requirements. Okay. There is a requirement, obviously, because they don't just want you to give out a link, people create an account, and everybody's just getting free silver, right? That doesn't make sense, right? So obviously, there's something you have to do to get that free silver, which is the person that you share this with just has to interact with Kinesis. And so whether you do any transactions like when you do trading, okay, so they have a trading platform in the back office. You're able to trade cryptocurrencies. You're able to trade gold and silver, buying, selling. Okay, any transactions like that, when you do, it's $3,000 in transactional volume in any kind of trades, buying and selling, crypto transactions, whatever have you. And that could be just, you could do it $100 at a time in a trade or whatever have you over a period of time. But when that threshold of $3,000 in trades have been done, which if you're buying silver on the platform, that's a trade. If you're selling silver, that's a trade. If you're, buying and selling cryptocurrency, that's a trade. If you're moving between the stable coins on the platform, that's a trade. So any type of moving and transactions on the platform, that adds up. And so when you meet that threshold of $3,000 traded, that's when you and the referrer will split that half ounce of silver. So you're also able to earn gold and silver. So not only when you refer people and they meet that requirement of trading volume to get a half ounce of silver, but that person, every time they do anything in the ecosystem, you're going to receive 7.5% of their transaction fees for life. Okay, for life. So I just want you to think about, as the economy is changing, as gold and silver becomes more valuable, as people need real money, real solutions to conduct global trade and commerce and preserve their wealth, they're going to need a digital platform to do that. Okay, we're going to get physical silver still, but you want to have the option of a platform like Kinesis to satisfy that digital solution. So receive 7.5% on all their transaction fees for life, paid into your account monthly in silver and gold. Okay, so that's huge because you never know who you're going to share this with and the type of transactions they're going to do, from trading, buying and selling silver and gold, utilizing that MasterCard. Transaction fees are happening and you're getting paid for life from that. So you imagine you've shared this with X amount of people, and as time goes on, That is some significant earnings, all paid back to you in silver and gold. Okay, so they have a great way to share this as simple as hitting send. You can refer everyone you know to Kinesis via email, social media, WhatsApp, or through sending gold and silver to their email address. Okay, so great ways to share. They have a great referral hub, okay, where you can track your progress. They also have a leaderboard as well. And then, of course, they always want to make sure that you can remember that, just having that Kinesis MasterCard, you're getting gold and silver back, metal back on your purchases. Okay. You also have the ability to refer businesses to supercharge your rewards. Okay. So we'll go over some of the Q&A. How do I get rewarded with that half ounce of silver? Thanks to the Kinesis referral rewards program, all referrers and their invited users who sign up to the Kinesis with the unique referral link will be rewarded just for joining, verifying, and trading a US $3,000 minimum in fiat or digital assets on the Kinesis exchange. Both the refer and the referee will receive a half ounce of silver each, which will be credited into their account the moment they meet the reward criteria. Okay. Can I get silver and gold inviting new users with the send to email widget? Yes. Thanks to the send to email feature, which enables the sending of gold and silver, KVT, and crypto with only the email address of the recipient required, Kinesis account holders are able to invite new users into the Kinesis platform, making the sender automatically eligible to receive the referrer's yield as well as the referrer's reward. And obviously, we talked about how to qualify for those. What makes me eligible for the referrer's yield? In order to be eligible for the referrer's yield, all you need to do is introduce people you know or businesses to Kinesis by sharing your unique referral link with them. Then you're automatically entitled to 7.5% of all their transaction fees accumulated from their spending of silver and gold and crypto, as long as your referees are fully verified and remain active. Okay. Who can become a referrer or referee? To encourage adoption and use, Kinesis has created one of the world's best flat referral programs, providing an attractive incentive to bring entire communities, countries, and governments into the system of using gold and silver as money once again. Becoming a referrer simply means that you refer an individual or business to the Kinesis money system, creating an earning opportunity for everyone who's involved. And how many people can I refer? There is no limit to how many people or businesses you can refer. In fact, the more users you introduce to Kinesis monetary system, the greater the referrer's yield you'll be able to generate. Importantly, both you and every new system participant added to your referral network will be rewarded with half a KAG, okay, silver, just for referring and joining and meeting the reward requirement, which in turn incentivizes transactional velocity within the system and allows you to earn big. So this is a great way to earn and get paid in silver and gold from transaction fees, from referring people and them trading. Remember, all this is on the blockchain. This is all on the blockchain. This is audited. It's physical in the vaults. This is a premier digital solution to earn silver and gold from transaction fees and sharing with other people this ecosystem. So in the next video, I'm going to go over the other ways we earn yield, okay, in this platform. And I'm also going to show you the back office, the dashboard, and how user-friendly it is, and how to actually leverage this system. So I hope you guys found value in this. Make sure you like this out, share this out, okay? The link will be in the description of the video, and the link to the other articles will be in the description of this video as well. And we're gonna have some subsequent videos that kind of break down in an animated version each way we earn yield and the benefits of this ecosystem. There's a lot of value here, and I want to make sure that I make it make sense, so you can grasp the magnitude of why you want to click on that link, create an account, okay, do your KYC, and start saving in silver and gold in the digital form on the blockchain, allocate it to you, and start making some trades and everything and the benefit of this ecosystem. Pre-register for the MasterCard, okay? So you can have that option. You have a card in your wallet where it's gold and silver in that card, and You're getting cash back in silver and gold, and you're benefiting from the ecosystem and transaction fees. Okay. So I look forward to working with you guys in with Kinesis. If you have any questions, let me know. But I'll see you guys on the next video. All right. Peace.